Turn off Gmail smart features. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account you want to manage. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Settings. Scroll down to the General section and tap Data Privacy. Then select Google Workspace Smart Features. These features use your Gmail data to give you AI-powered suggestions across Google services. For example, email writing suggestions, automatic meeting suggestions, and more. Turn off the Google Workspace Smart Features toggle. Next, find Smart Features in other Google products and turn that toggle off as well. This stops Gmail from using your email activity to personalize other Google services. Examples include restaurant reservations, travel confirmations, event suggestions, and more. Tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Your Gmail account will still work as normal, but it will use fewer AI-powered personalization features. And that's it.